friends, today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or caregiver. We're making coffee ground fossils. To complete this craft, you will need 1 cup of used coffee grounds or hot chocolate mix, a ½ cup of cold coffee or hot chocolate, 1 cup of flour, add a little bit more if you use hot chocolate, ½ cup of salt, wax paper, a mixing bowl, some small objects to make impressions in the dough, and a round cookie cutter or empty can. Here's what you'll do. Get a grown-up to brew a small amount of coffee and save the used coffee grounds. If you don't have coffee, you can use hot chocolate mix and prepare the hot chocolate instead. Allow time for the coffee or hot chocolate to cool. Stir together the coffee grounds, coffee, flour, and salt until they are mixed well. If you're using hot chocolate, you'll need to use a bit more flour. Just add a little at a time until the mixture is the consistency of cookie dough. Knead the dough and flatten it out onto the wax paper. Use a cookie cutter or can to cut out circles. Press the small objects firmly onto the dough and leave an imprint. Remove the object and there's your fossil. Let the fossils dry and harden overnight. If you put them outside on a hot day, they may even dry in a couple of hours. The thickness of your dough and temperature where you live will affect the drying time, though. Ta-da! Here's the finished coffee grounds fossils. I hope you enjoy this craft. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!